Okay, this time we're gonna solve another random pass board problem, okay? As we can see, we have three equations here and we are finding three unknowns, which is our x, y, and z. So what we need to do now is to get two equations in order for us to eliminate one variable, in order for us to get more equations, and then so on and so forth. So let's do that, okay? As we can see, we can get our equation 1 and equation 2 in order for us to eliminate the value or the variable y, okay? But in order for us to eliminate that, we need to multiply. We need 3. We need to multiply this equation 1 to 3. So we can see it becomes like this, right? 3 times 2, it becomes 6, and then negative 3y, and then 9z, and then negative 9. So now we can cancel it out, and we just need to simplify that by adding them, of course. 6 plus 3, it is equals to 9, and then it becomes 8 here, and then 1. We have already our equation 4. Then next, after that, we continue by simplifying the equation 2 and 3 in order for us to eliminate the value of y once more. So as we can see, we just put here our equation, and as we can see also and observe, we cannot cancel now our y. What we need to do, as we did a while ago, we just need to multiply this equation 3 into 3. So let's put it here, okay? And then after that, we will have or simplify this equation like this. So you can see here, okay? It becomes 3x minus 3y, then multiply by 3 again, it becomes 3z, and then negative 12. So we can simplify it now. We can cancel out already the y and then simplify more. It becomes 6x, it becomes 2z, and it becomes 2, right? As we can see, we do have um, x and z variable in our equation 4 and equation 5. So what we need to do now is to simplify our equation 4 and 5 to eliminate the of one variable. If you want x, you can do that, but in this video, we're just eliminate the variable z. As we can see, we cannot do that yet because it is not divisible. So what we're gonna do is to multiply this equation 5 to 4. We'll just multiply this equation 5 to 4. So we can see it becomes like this. Becomes 24, and then becomes 8z, and it becomes negative 8. So we subtract them in order for them to be cancelled out, the value of our z. So we can cancel it out, then simplify more. It becomes like this. Then we know we just need to divide them both side by negative 15. And then 15. Then after that, we just need to simplify, and we will get the value of our x, which is negative 3 over 5. So we have already the value of our x. So what's we're gonna do now is to use our equation 4 or our equation 5 in order for us to get the value of z by substituting it here, right? So in this video, we're gonna use our equation 5, okay? So as we can see, we just need to substitute it as we said a while ago, and then simplify it. Negative 3 times 6, it is 18. Then divide 5. Just transpose it to the other side. Whatever that has no variable z, it is in the right side of our equal. And then voila, we have this, okay? And then simplify more, we have a common denominator of our 5. 5 divide 1, we know we have 1 here, and then multiply by negative 2, it becomes negative 10. 5 divide 5, it becomes 1, then multiply by our 18, it becomes 18. And then we need to simplify more, and we know it becomes 18 minus 10, it becomes, and then over 5, and then we need to divide them both by 2, then it becomes multiply here. Then 2, we can simplify 8 over 2 by 4 over 5. So this is our z already, right? We have x and z, so what we need to do is to substitute our x and z in our equation 1 or either 2 or either 3, okay? In order for us to get the value of our y. So, this video, we're gonna use our equation 3. Okay? So, we need to substitute lang po. As we can see, our x is negative 3 over 5, our y is the unknown, and z is 4 over 5. Then simplify more, we transpose to the other side every constant we have, and the only y is in the left side of our equal. So simplify more, we have a common denominator of 5, and as we can see, 5 divide 1, it is 5, then multiply by negative 4, it is negative 20. Then 5 divide 5, it is 1 times negative 4, it is negative 4. 5 divide 5, it is 1, and then multiply by 3, it is 3. We just need to simplify this. Negative 20 minus 4, it is negative 24 plus 3, it is equals to negative 21. It is equals to negative 21 over 5, right? As we can see, we have negative sign here. We just need to divide them both by negative 1. And this is also negative 1. And we know it can be cancelled out. And it becomes 21 over 5. It is positive. So it means we have our answer. The value of our x is negative 3 over 5. The value of our y, it is 21 over 5. And the value of our z is 4 over 5. So that's it.